How to disable right-click on Shopify page. Hello everyone, I'm Jason. The first thing you want to do once you're on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the bottom left-hand corner and you're going to select Settings. After selecting Settings from the drop-down menu on the left-hand column, I want you to scroll down and select Apps and Sales Channels. After selecting Apps and Sales Channels, you are going to tap on Shopify App Store in the top right-hand corner. After tapping on Shopify App Store, from here I want you to tap on the search bar and you are going to type in Disable Right Click. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here I want you to select this app by the name of RT Disable Right Click. And the reason why I recommend this app is because it is completely free and it is also highly rated. So the next thing you're going to do is tap on Add App. After you have tapped on Add App, you will be redirected to a new page to complete the installation of the app. So you are going to tap on Install App in the top right hand corner. You'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you are going to scroll down until you see Customize this app. You are going to tap on that. After you have selected Customize this app, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, all you have to do in the left-hand corner, you are going to see Disable Mouse Right Click. You are going to tap on Enable. After you have tapped on Enable, the next thing you're going to do is tap on Next. As you can see, changes saved successfully. So you're going to tap on Next. Then after you have done that, you'll see Install the Disable Mouse Right Click app embed. In order for the app to work on your storefront, go to your online store editor and turn on Disable Mouse Right Click. So you're going to tap on Go to Online Store. After you have done that, you will be redirected to the editor page. And from the left-hand corner, you are going to see App Embeds. Just give it a few seconds to load up. And from here, you want to ensure that the Disable Right Mouse Click is enabled, as you can see right there. Then you are going to tap on Save. Once it has been saved, you can go back into the app and you are going to tap on Next. After you have done that, you can tap on Open Your Store and it will open a preview of your store and you can see that it is now enabled. So for example, if someone were to go onto any one of my pages, at the moment you can see, or better yet you can see, but I'm trying to right click and it is not going through. And if I were to select any other product, it would still not go through as I'm trying to right click right there. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.